Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hi friends, welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Peppa Pig brushing some dirty teeth. Let's get started. First, I'll draw her nose. Then, right on her head, I'll add a cute little hat look. It even has a picture of a tooth on it. How fun is that? Next, I'll draw her eyes, a big smiley mouth, and her chubby little cheeks. Now I'll draw her body. She's holding something. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a giant toothbrush. Over here, I'll draw a big jaw model. Follow along with me. Oh no, these teeth are dirty because they haven't been brushed properly. Remember, kids always brush your teeth before bed and after meals to keep them clean, healthy, and shiny. Time to trace everything with a black marker so our picture stands out more clearly. Now let's move on to coloring. First, I'll use light pink to color Peppa Pig's skin. Then, I'll add a brighter pink for her nose and cheeks. For her cute hat, I'll use a mix of dark blue and sky blue. Let's color her dress a bright red. It looks so nice. For the toothbrush, I'll use a deep blue to make it stand out. Let's color the jaw model next. These four teeth over here are clean and white. Great job, Peppa. But on the other side, oh, some teeth are still dirty and discolored. I'll use orange and green to show leftover food stuck on those teeth. Yuck! Next, I'll color the gums a soft pink. And to finish it all off, I'll add a touch of green. You did a wonderful job. If you had fun with this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more creative drawings. See you next time, friends. Goodbye.